Welcome back. Welcome back to the Maestro Speaks. Yes, and I just wanted to showcase something today. I'll show you guys something. The Aussie New Zealand dollar pair. All right. I wanted to speak to this because I'm seeing something interesting um on the weekly time frame. All right, the weekly time frame. Now, looking at this pair, let me shrink it a little bit. I think I need to shrink what I'll do. Let me go to the full screen so y'all can see what's happening. All right. I want you to take a look at the weekly. And this is the weekly time frame of the Aussie New Zealand dollar pair. Okay. This market has been consolidating from like 2013 up until now within a particular area between two levels for the most part. Yes, the market later on within, I don't know, when I say later on, I'm talking about in the last, let's say, give or take, last 4 years, let's say 3 years, would have shrunk in terms of the consolidation level, but the general consensus is the market is ranging between two levels, resistant, support level, resistance, support level, resistance, support level. So, and then of course you got the breaking out of the level, which is normally like where you think momentum is going to go in your direction if you're trading that direction. But of course, no, because the consensus is that these two levels within this particular market are very strong and they have not been penetrated uh, for all of this time. So that being said, that's one thing. But even within this consolidation, there is another level that you need to pay attention to. All right. There's another level that you need to pay attention to. This particular area right here is a very interesting level. A very interesting level. As you can see, multiple touches. And see the reason why I do this, right? The reason why I do this, right, is because I am a technical trader. I look at historical data of what price did, all right, or what price has done in the past. Now, right now, as we speak, the market is sitting at a very critical level. Very critical level. I could call it a psychological level, all right? And now this is the weekly level. This is not the monthly time frame level because there are levels on every time frame. All right. Now the monthly and the weekly market or time frame of a particular market, they are very strong levels, very strong levels. And as you can see, if you're looking at it, this level has been tested multiple times historically. So that means that either two things going to happen. Either the level, which is the actual area itself, not the point, because it's not an exact point in the market, it's an area. Okay. But the actual area itself is being watched by traders all over the world. You understand? They trade these levels and they have their eyes set on these levels. And all they are doing is simply waiting to see what price is going to do at these key levels. Now, interesting enough, the Aussie New Zealand dollar pair is a pair that, even though it's consolidating on the higher time frame, it still trends for a long time within the consolidation, if that make any sense, because the market is going from one level to the next level. And this has been historically happening. But these are weekly candles, so we're talking about long movements. So the market, this particular market trends for long periods of time. Also, this particular pair is very slow. When I say slow, it moves kind of slow. You can get bored trade. There's not much excitement that happens in this pair, to be honest with you. Only if there's some type of news event or something. But for the most part, the traders will tell you this pair is kind of boring. However, it's a sweet pair, very sweet, because once you get in at a good level and you let the market do what it does, you could find yourself, raking in a good amount, sorry, of pips, because this market trends for a very long time, whether it goes down, up, double, top, down, whatever. But it's almost like when the market shows its hand on this, there's not much trickery when it comes to this pair, to be honest with you. And a lot of people don't trade this pair because it's not as volatile as the others, like the GBP pairs. However, you got almost like, I don't want to say sure move because nothing is sure, but this pair is very nice to trade. You can sit back, throw your leg up, drink some coffee, and let this pair do what it do. That's the kind of pair. You don't have to be trapped on your screen, hoping and praying that the pair go. No, it's like almost like you're in a plane as a pilot and you set on autopilot and you can go sleep behind the cockpit, check every now and then because you know the plane is gonna go. This is that kind of pair. Now those pilots are there, please don't go sleep behind the cockpit because people's lives are at stake. But this pair is wonderful, and like I said, it's sitting at a very interesting level right now on the weekly time frame. And like I say, this area right here, I just want you guys to know that you got to watch this area here. Watch it good. Watch it because you never know. And wait to see what price is going to do. That's all you know. I'm telling you, is that simple. People make trading like it's very hard. And mind you, it is technical, but you have to know what you're doing in order to be able to speak like this or speak like other traders would speak. You have to know what you're looking for and understand these things because, like I say, and not me in particular, but there's a saying that says that humans are creatures of habits and human beings are the ones trading this market, not robots. Therefore, humans watch these critical levels. That's it. They're watching. And once they see a particular confirmation, once they see the confirmation occurs, then what they do, they simply get in and do what they got to do. That's why it's so good to monitor the charts on the higher time frame. I'll preach that all day long because you get a better overall view of what the market is doing. Do not stress yourself with the minute candle. Do not do that. Don't do that. You got people who be trading off the minute, don't get me wrong. But you could get caught up because there's so many candles going up and down, up and down. All right. So just watch and see. I'm waiting to see because I may take this trade based on what the market does. I'll watch. I'll sit on my hands and watch. All right. So thank you very much for your time, y'all. Feel free to comment, subscribe, and please, man, hit a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Show your boy some love. I'll be dropping jewels in these videos. You guys have a wonderful day. You guys take care and be blessed.